on, everyone? Got a 2024 Honda CRV key fob here, and today I'm going to tell you how to open it up if you want to replace your battery. Okay, so what we're going to do first is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. There's a button right here we're going to push with our thumb, and then we can pull the emergency key out. Once we have the emergency key out, what we can do is we're going to split the remote open. I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver. I'm going to put it in like this, okay? And I'm just going to use it to pry the remote open, all right? Now what you want to do is you want to make sure that the buttons are facing down when you do this, because the buttons will become loose, okay? Like all this becomes loose. And if you have it the other way, it'll fall all over the place. And if you're doing it in the car, it won't be good because you'll lose the buttons. But we're going to want to hold on to it like this, make sure everything's nice and stable, okay? And then you use your flathead screwdriver to pop the battery out from the bottom first. Pull it out. I'll show you what size it is. Battery size is going to be a CR2032 battery. Positive sign facing out towards us. Goes in the top first. Click it in there like that. If you need a battery, check the description box. If you need the size again, it'll be down in the description box. Let's get the back half. Stick it on here. We just snap everything back together, okay? Put the emergency key back in, and you're good to go. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. If you hit that like button for me, leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.